Most housing teams build smart, campus-specific processes in StarRez, like your room selection steps, billing exceptions, or RA duty logs. But when new staff or student workers join, it takes time to train and onboard on those processes. And that's if your staff even takes the time to read the documentation that you've created. That's why we're launching a brand new way to scale your expertise, Custom Guides in StarRez Academy. These are bite-sized, on-demand tutorials built by our team that walk your users through your most important tasks right when they need them. You tell StarRez what you want, and we'll add it to the system, so training and resources are always at your staff's fingertips. You can make full walkthroughs for important tasks like issuing a key. You can also add video, images, links to other documentation, or even GIFs to whichever steps you want. Not only can your staff find content centralized in the Resource Center, but we can also add icons for specific content exactly where they need a reminder. And we'll color them to match your site's branding. Without clear guides, you're relying on memory, peer coaching, or manual retraining every semester. That creates errors, slows down new hires, and eats into staff time that could be focused on higher impact work. Want a step-by-step guide for assigning a room? Done. A reminder to review pending inspections? Done. A straightforward guide through the application process? Done. It's available now as a tiered add-on to Academy, starting with 10 guides. Each unit covers one key task or step, and we'll help you choose the ones that'll drive the most value. If your team is tired of retraining, or you've got new users learning StarRez every term, this is the easiest way to scale your expertise and protect your time. Let's take 10 minutes to map your top guides and see which tier fits. Only available with membership to StarRez Academy.